Hi, I'm Diane Flores. I'm an IFBB figure pro, and I'm here with my daughter,
Alicia Marie,
who is also a wellness competitor as well. And we've got 3 tips for you on building your glutes. The first one is you wanna make sure that you are training all 3 heads of your glute. You have the med, the max, and the minimus. And as bodybuilders, we need to make sure that we are choosing exercises that detail all 3 of those. So the big compounds are gonna be something like a hip thrust, the abductors are gonna hit the smaller muscle groups, and you wanna make sure that you're also including something like a step up or an RDL.
The second tip being making sure we're not eating just in a deficit. So we need time to be in either maintenance mode or a surplus, and then training under some heavy ass weight. Muscle needs food to grow, it needs fuel. So as long as you're properly fueling and doing the right exercises, your glutes should be growing.
And then the third one is, because I know most of us bodybuilders love to live in the gym, is that you are recovering adequately. You cannot continue to drill your legs down and your glutes down for 6 days a week and expect them to grow. So give yourself adequate time to recover and make sure that you aren't going into the next training session completely wrecked from the previous one. So hopefully these tips are helpful. Make sure to follow us for more.